Hello everyone, this is me Seema from Sri Sai Sadhbhaavana School. Today we are going to start the new lesson and the lesson name is Lesson 10 Integers. Okay, yes. Before moving to the meaning of integers, let us know about the numbers. So do you know about the natural numbers and whole numbers, children? Okay, then let me tell about natural numbers. What do you mean by the natural numbers? Yes, the numbers which start from 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. So these numbers are known as natural numbers. These numbers are known as natural numbers. And the numbers which start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity, these are known as the whole numbers. These are known as the whole numbers. Understood? So this is the difference between the natural numbers and the whole numbers. In natural number there is no zero, but whole numbers start with zero. Understood? Yes. So here let us see the meaning of integers. What do you mean by the integers? So integers are nothing but they are the set of the whole numbers. Integers are nothing but they are the set of whole numbers along with the negative numbers. Along with the negative numbers. So now we already know what you mean by the whole numbers. So whole numbers are nothing but 0 which start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are nothing but whole numbers. Whole numbers along with the negative numbers. Negative in the sense, negative of 1. What is that? Nothing but minus 1. Negative of 2. Minus 2. Negative of 3. Minus 3. So these are known as integers. These are known as integers. It will continue even this side as well as even this side also. So now you can see in this whole numbers, set of whole numbers along with their negative ones. Along with their negative ones. So this is known as nothing but integers. This is known as integers. So now you got the idea what do you mean by the integers? Yes. So the integers are nothing but it includes all the natural numbers. It includes all the natural numbers. Also, it includes 0. It includes 0. It includes whole numbers. It includes whole numbers. And also it includes negative numbers. So you understood, children? So integers are nothing but they are the set of whole numbers along with the negative numbers. Along with the negative numbers. So we can say that integer includes what and all? Natural numbers, 0, whole numbers and the negative numbers. Now we understood, children, what do you mean by the integers? Yeah, they are nothing but, in simple we can say, it is a set of whole number which includes the negative one. Understood? I hope you have understood the meaning of integers. Children, just now we discussed about the meaning of the integers. Let us see some more points which we have to going to use in this lesson. Okay? Yes. See the first one. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Means this point says that 0 is not at all a positive or a negative number. 0 is not a positive, neither a positive nor a negative number. It is not included to the positive category and it is not even included to negative category also. This is very, very important. You have to keep it in mind. Let us see the second point. All natural numbers are positive numbers. So just now we discussed what are the natural numbers. So the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and it continues. Okay. And here it says that all the natural numbers are positive numbers. All the natural numbers are positive numbers. Okay. And see here, we use plus sign for positive numbers. Okay, how we will come to know whether the number is positive or not? By looking at the sign. If the number is with plus sign, we can consider that it is a positive number. Okay, if you have not written the sign also, if you have written just one like this, then we can consider it is a positive number itself. Okay, and we use negative sign for negative number, minus sign for negative number. say like this. Okay, if the number is with plus sign, we can consider it is a positive number, or else there is no sign also, we will consider it as a positive number. If the number is with minus symbol, then we can consider it as a negative or integer. It is a negative number or negative integer. Now you understood, children, regarding the signs. For the positive integer, we will use this sign, and for the negative integer, we will use this sign. And sometimes there is no need to write the sign also, and it is understood that it is a positive number. Okay, let us see some more example. Now let me write 37. Can you tell me which number it is? Is it a positive number or a negative number? This is a positive number because I have not written the sign here. And it is understood that it is a positive number. Okay. Okay, I have written minus symbol there. So which number it is? This is a negative number. This is a negative number. Yes. Which number is that? It is a positive number because I have written the sign. Okay. If there is plus symbol or there is no symbol, we will consider it as a positive number. And if there is a minus symbol, we will consider it as a negative number. Understood? Hope you have understood this point. Now, coming to the next point. All whole numbers are integers. So, here it says that all whole numbers are integers. So, we know that the integers meaning itself says that it is a set of whole numbers along with the negative ones. So, the whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and it continues. So, all this is called as whole numbers, and the whole numbers are always the positive numbers. That is what says here. All whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers also. All whole numbers are integers. Then coming to the next one. All natural numbers are also integers. See here itself. Here you can see these are called it as the natural numbers because there is no zero. If there is a zero, then it is nothing but whole numbers. If there is no zero, then these sets of numbers are known as natural numbers. So all the natural numbers are also integers and even all the whole numbers are also integers. Now you got what you mean by the integers? I hope yes. Children, now let us discuss about the representation of integers on a number line. How to represent the integers on a number line. Let us see that. Before moving to that, let us write few integers. Now we already know what you mean by the integers. So integers are nothing but they are the whole numbers, they are the natural numbers. It is also a zero and they are the negative numbers. So randomly I'll pick some of the integers. Okay. Example. A minus 7. Okay, it is a negative number. It is an integer. 0, of course, it is an integer. 3, which is a positive number. It is an integer. Minus 5, negative number, integer. 2, positive number, integer. Anyhow, we know that all whole numbers are known as integers, all natural numbers are known as integers. So we can choose any number. But for the example, I have taken these numbers, that is minus 7, 0, 3, minus 5, 2. You can take any number as example. It's your wish. Okay. So now first let us draw the number line. So here comes 0. In middle I'll mark 0. Okay. So in middle I marked 0 and to the right of this line here I'm going to mark the positive integers. I mean the positive numbers. Here I'm going to mark the positive numbers. This is the right side of the number line. Here comes all the positive integers. Here comes all the positive integers. Nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can even extend also. Okay. And this is the left side of the 0. Okay. Right side of the 0, you can find all the positive integers, and left side of the 0, you can find the negative integers. This is the left side where you can find the negative integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and even you can extend also. So children, now you understood how to draw the number line under the integer? Yes, see, normal number line itself. First you have to mark the 0. To the right side of the 0, you have to mark all the positive integers. Nothing but the positive numbers. Okay, to the left side of the 0, you have to mark all the negative integers. Okay, and while you writing the negative integers, you have to write in like this way: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. In this way you have to mark. Okay, yes. Now, so here comes the positive integers. Let us write positive integers, and this side you can find the negative integers. So these are the nothing but negative integers. Okay, have you understood, children? And one more thing I'll tell you, as we move on to the right side, the values are keep increasing. The values are keep increasing. For example, here you see 1 is there. To this right, 3 is there. So which one is the greatest one? 3 is greater than 1. Now here 3 is there. And here 6 is there. Okay? 6 is there to the right of 3. That means 6 is greater than 3. As we move on to the right side of the 0, values are increasing. Values are increasing. As we move on to the left of the 0, values are decreasing. Values are decreasing. See here, 0 is lesser than the positive numbers. Correct? That means all these positive numbers are greater than 0. And here you see all these negative numbers are lesser than 0. That means 0 is greater than the negative numbers. 0 is greater than negative numbers. As we move on to this side, the values are decreasing. The values are decreasing. Example, -1 is greater than -4. Okay? -4 is greater than -5. When you're comparing like this, -5 and 0, which one is the greatest one? 0 is the greater one compared to -5. Okay, so that means 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. 0 is greater than all negative numbers. And all positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Okay, all positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. This is what you have to keep it in mind. As we move on to the right side of the number line, the values are increasing. As we move on to the left side of the number line, the values are decreasing. This is what you have to keep it in mind. So now let us mark these integers. Okay, -7. Where you will find -7? -7 is here. So this is -7. So let me write it here as A. So the A answer is here, -7. Move on to the next, B, 0. Where you can find 0? You can find it here. So this is the B answer. This is the answer. Next, 3. They have given just 3. What we have to consider? Whether it is a positive or negative. Nothing but this is a positive. As I told before, if we are not given any sign, it is understood that this is a positive number. This is a positive number. 3, where it will come? This side. Okay. Next, so this is the C answer. Next, the D, -5. Where you can find -5? To the left of the 0. So the -5 is here. That is answer D. Okay. Next, E is nothing but 2. Where you can find 2? 2 is here. This is E answer. Understood, children? I hope you have understood how to represent the integers on a number line. Children, now let us discuss the exercise 10.1. So here you see the first main, write the following numbers with appropriate signs. The first main says that you have to write the numbers with appropriate signs. Appropriate signs in the sense with the proper signs. Okay, let us see how to do that. Say the first one. First statement, 35 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius temperature. So now we have to write this 35 degrees Celsius with the appropriate sign. So here it is given 35 degrees Celsius above the 0 degrees Celsius. Above means we can write this 35 degrees Celsius with positive sign. With the positive sign. Above means positive sign we will use. Below means we will use the negative sign. Okay. Next. A loss of rupees 12. So here they have given a loss of rupees 12. Loss. We will use the negative symbol for this. Okay. So minus rupees 12. Negative rupees 12. If it is a profit, we will use the positive symbol. Okay. The next one, losing a weight of 15 kg. Losing a weight of 15 kg. So we are going to denote this 15 kg with the negative symbol. Negative 15 kg. If it is gaining a weight of 15 kg, we will use with the positive symbol. Okay. Next, earning rupees 1200. Earning. So we are going to denote this rupees 1200 with the positive symbol like this. Positive rupees 1200. In this way you have to solve the first main. I hope you have understood this. Children, now let us discuss the second main. See the second main, write the opposite of each of the following. We have to write the opposite of each of the given statement. See the first one, withdraw rupees 900. Withdraw rupees 900. So what is the opposite terms of withdraw? Can you tell me, children? Withdraw. Nothing but deposit. So we will write like this. Answer, deposit of rupees 900. Okay, this is the opposite term to this. The next one, increase in marks. Increase in marks. What you can write here? Yeah, exactly. Decrease in marks. So we can write decrease in marks. Decrease in marks. Okay. The next one, decrease in temperature. Decrease in temperature. What we can write? Of course, increase in temperature. So we will write increase in temperature. Okay? Yes. Next one, winning the race. Winning the race. What is the opposite of winning? Nothing but losing. So we will write losing the race. Losing the race. Yes. Children understood what you have to do here? You have to write the opposite of the given like this. Withdraw rupees 900, it becomes deposit rupees 900. Here, increase in marks, it becomes decrease in marks. Decrease in temperature, increase in temperature. Winning the race, losing the Yes, in this way you have to solve the second main. I hope you understood. Children, now let us discuss the third main. So here you see, third main represent the following on the number line. So here some integers are given. Here some integers are given. We have to represent that integers on the number line. So let us draw the number line first. While you're drawing the number line, please use the scale. Here I'm drawing on the board, so I'm not using the scale. So here it comes 0. And right side of the 0, what we have to write? We have to write the positive integers. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. And no need to write the symbol because it is understood that they are the positive integers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, even you can extend also. And here to the left of the 0, we will write the negative integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8. Okay, even you can extend also. Yes, now we have finished drawing the number line. Now let us represent. So the first one, what is the positive 7 is given. So where we have to see, left side or right side? We have to see right side. Positive 7, nothing but it is here. So the answer is here. Okay, understood? Okay, so the next one, positive 3. Where is positive 3? Which side? Left side or right side? It is right side. Here it is. So the B answer is here. Okay. Next, see you see -8. Where we have to find -8? Right side or left side? Left side. -8. C answer is here. Next, D, -1. Where we have to see? Right side of the 0 or left side of the 0? It is the negative 1. So we have to find in the left side of the 0. So the -1 is here. This is the D answer. Okay. Next, E, 5 is given. Which 5 it is? Negative or positive? This is positive. If there is no sign, it is understood that it is a positive number or it is a positive integer. Where you can see 5? 5 is here. So, answer is here. And the last one, -2, where you will find left to the 0. So, the -2 is here. Okay, this is the F answer. So, these are the integers we have represented on the number line. In this way, you have to solve the third main. Understood, children? I hope you have understood this. Children, now let us solve the fourth main. So here you see, write all the integers lying between the given pairs. So what we have to write? We have to write all the integers which lying between the given pair. Here you can see the pair of the integers. One is 0 and one is -6 is given. So now we have to write the integers which comes between these two integers. Which comes between these two integers. So for this, number line is very helpful. So let us draw the rough figure of the number line so that you will understand easily. Okay. So I'm drawing one rough number line and here it comes 0. Okay. Here you can write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And here you can write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. We want it till -6. Okay, 0 to -6 we want. We want what? 0 to -6. So now we have to see how many integers are comes between the 0 and -6. Which of the integers you can see is between the 0 to -6? You can see -4, -3, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Correct? So these are the various integers you can see between 0 and minus 6. Okay, you can see between 0 and minus 6. So now let us write, but there is one condition. What they have given? You have to write this in increasing order. Increasing order means what, children? Nothing but ascending order, small to big. We have to write small to big. Okay, yes, as I told, when we are moving to the left side, the values are decreasing. Values are decreasing. See, now between 0 and minus 6, we have minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So in this we have to see which one is the smallest one. So here you see minus 5 is the smaller one or minus 1 is the smaller one. Minus 5 is the smallest one and the minus 1 is the biggest one as compared to minus 5. So we will write in increasing order like this. Answer minus 5, comma, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So this is the answer for the first question. Let us see the B1. Children, now let us see the D1. So B1 you see here. So two pairs of integers are given, minus 3 and minus 8. So let us represent on the number line so that you will come to know easily. So here already I have drawn the number line. Let us just extend this. So we have drawn till minus 6. Let us extend minus 7 and minus 8. Now which all the numbers they have given? Minus 3 and minus 8. That means from here to here. So which all the integers you can see between minus 3 and minus 8? You can see minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Correct? You can see which are the numbers? Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Okay? Yes, but they have given one condition. You have to write those integers in decreasing order. Decreasing order in the sense descending order, big to small. So here we have to write the biggest one. As I told, when we are moving to left, the values are decreasing. Means here the minus 7 is smaller than minus 4. Means minus 4 is greater than minus 7. So we will write like this. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So the answer is minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Here you can see minus 4 is greater than minus 7. Minus 5 is greater than minus 7. Minus 6 is greater than minus 7. Understood now? I hope you have understood this. Children, now let us discuss the C part. So in C part they have given 0 and 9. 0 and 9 is given. So let us draw the number line. Okay, here comes 0 and this side you can draw the minus number, but I am not going to mark the minus number because here it is no necessary. Okay, there is no need of marking the minus integer. So let me mark only the positive integers. So here comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This much is enough. Now we have to mark the integers which comes between 0 and 9. So that is nothing but from here to here. So which all the integers you will see, children, between 0 and 9? That is nothing but minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, sorry, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. As well as 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the integers, the positive integers you can see between 0 and 9. Now here what they have given? These integers you have to write it in decreasing order. So what do you mean by the decreasing order again? Nothing but descending order, big to small. And in this number we know that which one is the biggest number. So which one is the biggest number, children, in this? Nothing but 8 is the biggest number. So we will start with 8. Answer 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are the answer for the numbers which lying between 0 and 9. I hope you have understood the fourth main how to solve. Children, now let us discuss the fifth main. So fifth main is nothing but write. What we have to write? See the A part. 5 negative integers greater than minus 17. Here what we have to write? We have to write the 5 negative integers. What we have to write? 5 negative integers which is greater than minus 17. So if you draw the number line, here just imagine here you will get minus 17. After that what you will get here? Here you will get minus 18 and here you will get minus 19. All these numbers are lesser than 17. Correct? All these numbers are lesser than 17. What we want here? Here we want the negative integers itself, but which is greater than minus 17. Greater means we have to write number which is there to the right side of the minus 17. Which of the numbers will appear right side of the minus 17? Nothing but minus 16, minus 15, minus 14 and so on. Means this the right side of the minus 17 you will find the greater than minus 17. The numbers or the integers which are greater than the minus 17. So which are the numbers we can write for this? The 5 negative integers greater than minus 17. You can start with minus 16 itself. So minus 16 which is greater than minus 17, correct? Do you agree with me? Yeah. So then minus 15, minus 14, minus 13 and minus 12. How much they are? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished. Understood? Move on to the next one. 5 positive integers greater than 19. So 19 is a positive number. And you know that in the positive numbers, as we move on to the right side, the values are increasing. So number is 19 given. What we can write? Yes, 19 after which number you will find? Yes, 20. So we can write answer 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many integers there are? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Move on to the C part. 3 negative integers less than minus 50. So here what we have to write? We have to write the 3 negative integers which is less than minus 50. If you draw the number line, here comes minus 50. So this side, right side you will get minus 49 which is more than 50. And left side you will find minus 51 which is less than 50. So which one we have to write? We have to write answer minus 51, minus 52 and minus 53. So these are the 3 negative integers which is less than minus 50. I hope you have understood the fifth main. Children, now let us discuss the sixth main, compare. So here pair of integers are given, we have to compare them. And we know that always the positive integers are greater than negative integers. 0 are always greater than the negative integers. Right? Yes. And the greatest negative integer is always smaller than the smallest negative integers. Right? Yeah. So the first one, 6 and minus 7. Here the positive one, here the negative one. So which one is the greatest? Positive integer is always the greatest one. Next, B you see, 0 and the minus 1. So as I told, 0 is always greater than the negative integer. So 0 is the greatest one. Here you see, minus 12, minus 26. So which one is the greatest one? Minus 12 is the greatest one. And here you see, minus 16 plus 16. One is negative, one is positive. When there is one negative, positive, which one will be the greatest one? Positive one is the greatest one. So simple, right? I hope you will do the remaining sums yourself. With this, we came to the end of the exercise 10.1. What and all we discussed under this exercise, I hope you all understood all the means. Thank you, children.